I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and removing the batteries or USB cable so nothing powers the board. Next, remove the 5 screws, 4 Torx T8 under the grips and the one hidden under the sticker. Keep them organized. Once screws are out, use a plastic pry tool to separate the faceplate from the rear shell, working around the seams to avoid snapping clips. Go slow and feel for clips releasing rather than forcing. This prevents stress on the plastic and the internal ribbon connectors. Once the shells are loosened, identify the ribbon cables and the battery connector and disconnect them gently by lifting the latch or pulling straight out. After power is disconnected, remove the small screws holding the circuit board and lift it away from the rear shell, noting screw positions for reassembly. Pop out the buttons, bumpers, and thumbsticks if you plan to replace the entire shell. This makes cleaning and swapping easier. Make sure to keep parts in order so reassembly replicates the original layout and spring placements. To finish, reseat the circuit board into the new shell, aligning mounting posts, then reconnect the ribbon cables and battery connector. Make sure each latch clicks. Replace the small screws in their original holes, snap the front and rear shells together ensuring all clips engage, and reinstall the 5 external screws. After installing batteries or plugging in, test every button, trigger, and stick axis. If something is unresponsive, reopen and recheck ribbon seating. Switch contact orientation, and verify you didn't over-tighten screws, which can warp contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.